OYMOOP is a mop bucket wet dry system. You have a base, point up. It has Velcro, 4 areas. On the bottom over here, it's got these 3 tabs. If you grab the handle, it's going to be very difficult to open and it snaps into place. There's a ball bearing. It swivels. Microfiber cloths. The Velcro goes to the back, and there are 3 little sleeves that you're going to put this. I'll do my best to show you how to install this to the base. You're going to place this on like so. Slide them on to the little sleeve. You're going to pull down and you're going to simply just line it up like so, nice and flat. Very easy to do. You have the 3 poles. All you need to do is take pole number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, screw it in. Make sure they go on snug. And repeat for the second pole. It matches up to the main base. Push in, lock in. This is the bucket. It has a handle. There's a wet and a dry side. Inside we have liquid. It opens up very easy. This unit, you put the wet to the dry, and in here, between here and here, the water flows through and back into the wet when you use the dry. These areas here and here lock onto the bucket. There are 2 plastic tabs on each side, here and here. You place the unit on, the handle's lifted up, you lock it down, very simple. There's a handle to lift. When placing in the unit, this is the correct way to doing it. You go into the wet, you place in, and you rinse a few times. When you're ready to dry, you put it to the dry side. All the water is going to go this way into the wet again. It takes a little force to get in there. Watch as I go to the dry side. Right over here where my index fingers are pointing. Right there, you see the water coming out. There is a hole that you can hang this up. Right here, and it swivels. Place your bucket down. All you need to do is go to the wet side, put it in a couple of times, rinse it out. When you're ready to go down on the floor, all you need to do is tap it, and you're able to clean the floor and clean up your mess. If there are spills, you clean it up. And when you're ready to lift the handle, make sure the arrow facing up, have the arrow facing towards you, tilt down, snaps in, rinse. But make sure you put this in the correct way. You don't want to put it in the wrong way. You want to put it in the right way. And continue to clean. It stains out all the dirt. The microfiber cloth does an excellent job, and I just want to make sure when I switch this over, I always have that arrow towards me, and then I'm able to do the work. Now the beauty of this is it's not just for the floor. I want to reach the air conditioner and clean the top where all the air goes. Very simple to do. And if I wanted to clean the edge of the fan blades, I can do so very gently. Oh, before I put it away over here, which is a nice spot for it, I got a little mess to clean up. And when I'm all done, I just put this over here in this particular area, and I put it in the dry area like so, ready for the next use. This mop system is excellent for anywhere in the office, the house, by a kitchen, living room, dining room, bedroom, wherever you need to clean. These microcloth are washable, throw them in the machine, they clean up very easy, they're velcroed onto the back of the unit, and if you need replacements or so, you can check further online and detail about your product. I hope this product is something that you're looking for, a mopping system, wet and dry. Hope it's the right product for you.